What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make waakye, like proper Ghanaian waakye, brown rice and beans. It's super easy, it's super delicious, and I know if you're Ghanaian you love this food. Before you get started, please do well to subscribe to my channel. If you have not done so already, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. So first of all, you need beans. There are different kinds of beans on the market, but I use this particular one. I do not know the name, but it's a white or black-eyed beans. I'm sure these beans cook faster, like faster than the usual beans that you get. So right now I'm just picking out some chaff, some dead beans that might be in it. You do not want, and then some stones, because believe you me, sometimes when you're eating waakye outside, once what beam, like that's not what we are looking for. So I'm just going ahead to take out any dead beans, any stone or any dead that I might see in my bean, and I'm gonna head to pour out or pour in water actually to properly and thoroughly clean it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So after thoroughly cleaning it, I've added clean water, and into this I'm going to add my waakye leaves. Now this leaf, you can find it in your local market. This will bring out that reddish color that you see in the bean, so that will go on fire for it to start cooking. And this is me adding my brown rice to water to thoroughly clean it. I actually use 3 cups of brown rice, and let me tell you, this rice come out really dirty. There are so many dirt, so many chaffs in it that you thoroughly have to clean it well. Like cleaning this rice well will ensure that your waakye is super nice and super delicious. So that's me after cleaning it or washing it for about 3 times. This is what we have, and I was not even content with it, so I went ahead to wash it some more. And then after that I realized that okay, it was okay, like I was content with it. As you can see, the water is clean and it's neat. So now let's check on my beans. As you can see, that reddish color is starting to come in, so yeah, we're on the right path. After some few minutes, beans were properly cooked. Actually, they were almost overcooked, so I had to immediately take out the waakye leaves, and then add in my washed brown rice. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. You can actually cook your waakye with the leaves in it, but I decided that the leaf had already served its purpose, so I just took it out and then added my rice right away. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt to taste and cover it and let it cook. So yeah, some of you might be wondering, why am I not adding extra water? I do not want my waakye to be too soggy. Like I want it, I don't know if you get it. So yeah, after covering it, you can see that my waakye was coming together. So this time I'm just gonna minum kakra. Then after that I'm gonna cover it with some foil and let it cook for about 10 more minutes. And after that, you can see that the waakye had really come together and it was ready. Look at that beauty. So it was ready for me to pair it with my homemade waakye stew. Yeah, just look at this. I was super happy and super proud of myself for making this on the first try, and it actually came out perfect. Like me pewacha kikabum kakaron, so like it was the right consistency for me. I was super proud of myself and it was delicious. Do all to try this at home. Let me know how it turned out. So yeah, I'm just gonna pair this with my homemade waakye. So I'm just gonna pair it with my homemade waakye stew, and I'm gonna add my homemade shito. And I actually have this shito prepared on my channel, so I'll link it in my description box for you guys to check it out. And that's it. My waakye is ready to be enjoyed. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please do want to give this video a thumbs up. That's the way of you guys supporting my channel, and I cannot thank you guys enough for your support throughout this entire year. I'm actually planning on doing a giveaway, but how do I even do food giveaway? Let me know in the comment section how you want me to do this giveaway. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, what are you waiting for? Do you want to subscribe to my channel? Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.